I'll be completely honest, I am busting ass to get this week's video out. It is literally 10 minutes before this video is gonna go up, and I'm doing the intro to this stupid video. It is a mismatch of all three cars. This is sort of what random stuff I've been doing this week, so sorry if it's a bit shambles, but I'm just jamming all this junk into one video just to get something out for you guys this week. So if you know, you know. If you're into sort of imports, maybe the Commodore guys won't be into this or even know it's even happening, but Adam LZ World Tour is coming soon, and the EVO got accepted to be part of the show and shine there. So I'm trying to knock out a few things that I was sort of hesitant on doing, or even just couldn't be bothered doing because there was no push to do it, but now there is. So I got a few new parts, doing a few things on the VL, and also I'm gonna hit up a car meet in the VN in this video. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'm sorry if it's all shambles, but I'd rather give you a video than not give you a video this week. So enjoy, people. Now, I spent absolutely forever getting all the paint off this because it had been painted about 50 different times. The paint on this was so thick, but over and over in the ultrasonic at work, stripped it all off with the heat, which is perfect. So I'm going to drop this off to Anthony for him to paint it. And if you don't know, that is the factory bonnet vent for the EVO, which someone put a stupid carbon aftermarket one on this car at some point, so I want to get rid of that. So I'll get that painted body color. And the other stuff I have here, I actually forgot I even had these. These are in the glove box. These are, I'll be honest, I don't know where these two go. And these are boot rubbers. They go here and there. I also have the stereo surround trim, which is that one. I've got, there's a few dumb ones here that people are gonna think, what the hell did you buy those for? These long ones, which is this and this, are the vinyl strip for between the door, so you can't see the body color when the door's shut. Mine are fine, don't even know why I bought those. And probably the dumbest one is these, which are genuine battery rods that hold the battery down. I can't believe I bought these, but they're very cheap. They're like 20 bucks for the pair. And I also have this lower trim which goes under the dash, that one there. And the reason I want to replace that is because to get rid of that, and it has a big ugly gaping hole behind it that's not supposed to be there, but I don't know where the hell I'm going to put that boost gauge because I don't want to screw into anything, but we'll figure it out along the way. Poor, look at those babies. Whoa, would you look at that, coupled with my brand new genuine clamp. I really need to find either this sticker or the whole cap, because that looks a shit. And if you're wondering why I'm replacing this stereo fascia surround, because of that. Crazy, I know. The best thing I have found with doing genuine parts all the time, always have your ciggy lighter straight, is that you 100% know everything is going to fit perfect the first time. I really need to get this piece and that piece. I'm probably that piece. Am I kidding? I just want everything new. Alright, these are the next little bits and pieces. So the two little ones, two bigger ones, which go on the boot. And I'll be honest, I'm going to have to Google this part number and see where the hell they go. I reckon they go on the front guards for the bonnet, but I just ordered a full like rubber kit, so I got no idea where the hell they go. All right, it is a beautiful, or going to be a beautiful day today. And I've done the old swapperoonie with the VL. So the VN is now at home, but it is absolutely filthy. I'm gonna give her a wash and I'm gonna head to a very, very local car meet at a really, really nice spot. Hang on. There we go. And for this car meet, I'm replacing this with this. My little one's first ride in the car to a car meet. You alright in there? Yeah, he's alright. Let's go! 5-minute drive and these guys are asleep. Hey, watch the car, bro. Hey. Who built it? Yeah. Oof. I haven't put anything for sale yet. Look, see that? VN Bellina. VN Bellina. Yeah. Oh, I'm trying to see SPs, mate. Oh, that's, you know, every single one I see for sale, I'm like, do I tag him? Ah, he's not gonna buy.
Not yet. Not yet.
They're like a mini Mustang.
That's a tough colour.
It's like mustard.
I love the black.
Hurry up and buy one. What interior colour do you like better? Grey or Sierra?
It kind of gives it a bit of character.
The interior. Yeah, that's the killer. That
it gives it a good character, yeah.
I really like that ESP. I saw it in Willie yesterday. Here, bonnet. But which colour? Because the bumper's different to the quarter and the doors are different to the rest.
Yeah, it's a colour quick. I like this colour.
And the front bumper's different.
I mean, it has to be.
Yeah, it's killer.
It has to be.
Oh.
Next project.
Yeah. And she's back all safe and sound, no issues. I haven't driven this thing in a while, so I was a bit skeptical on the, you know how cars are, but so the Werribee South one, I got warned, was absolutely packed, like kilometers long of cars just to get in. So we bypassed that and went to the one on Main Street Werribee, which is actually every month. That was packed as well, so stayed there for a bit and then thought on the way home, just go to Werribee South, see actually how bad it is for myself, and oh my god. I think it's Cars and Culture. That event is huge and good because it's just variety of everything, like Jap, Euro, Aussie, American, anything you can think of is there. So we just sort of drove through and drove back out and came back home. But I've got to say, this is exactly what I love. So today was a beautiful day. I met up with like multiple different friends groups all in the same place. Everyone had their kids. I had Luca out, my partner. This is exactly what I want. This is absolutely perfect, this sort of car stuff like that. So anyway, that's my little rant. We'll continue with this video. It's the first time I've had it like up where you can actually see
We
things.
can see under this last one, didn't we?
I've laid under it and that's it. I'm scared to look.
Are you normally
Nah, it's
supposed
pretty
to have
good.
that red under it, or
Yeah,
is it
yeah.
just from the
Oh,
overspray?
it could be both actually. But like that wouldn't be.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit of this might be.
I feel like it needs an underguard, it'll look really good.
Needs like a good scrub under here. I gurneyed as much as I could. You like it?
Be clean. So like that, like if you did that under the whole thing, it'd look really good. So that's come up.
Yeah, fucking hell.
What'd you use there?
The underbody didn't know stuff.
Just in a can. From where?
Same as a van. Just the shit we got here.
Oh.
You know, it's one thing I got to do that I forgot about. I just saw. I couldn't get this done up. Because see how it's up against the...
Oh.
I'm assuming I got to loosen this one to take pressure off that side. I want to do coolant on it because it's the only fluid I haven't done. Yeah, that, everything re-zinced. That's my exhaust leak.
Just buzz it up where it's on the hose.
I think it's
can
too
make it now if
thin.
you want.
I think it's too thin.
I can make now if you want.
You can try it. I got that section from Anthony. This is from here back,
So,
I think.
why don't you bring it and quickly change it?
It's in the ute.
Oh.
'Cause I need it on the hoist because you can't swing it out
Yeah.
on the ground. Yeah, I don't like that.
Oh, it's hot.
I just drove it here.
See, all this is overspray.
Yeah.
That would cook it.
It would look good with a new tank from behind.
I reckon tank and like paint the diff black.
Well, I ain't doing shit because...
No, I know, but I like the red number, the green number plate.
yeah, that's factory reg from new, mate.
Brand new.
Alright, let's fix some shit. Yeah. Yeah, it left yesterday. Why you always annoying me? The amount of time I struggled on the floor. Can you put these bolts in? Alright, let's see how quiet she is now. So no more big holes in the exhaust. So hopefully that fixes it. Oh, silence. Oh, that's so much better. Bloody beauty. Alright, so I got that sitting better, whereas I can get to it when it's on the ground and do it up tight. And she's still a bit hot, so I'll do a coolant flush when coolant isn't going to explode in my face when I undo the cap.